Welcome to Techstination. We're in New York City with Parrot, Vincent Vantilcke, the global marketing director with Parrot. Thanks for joining us, Vincent.
Thanks very much for joining us.
Well, it's an exciting day for Parrot. They've announced a brand new drone called the Anafi.
Definitely.
A-N-A-F-I, and I'll let you tell us a little bit about it. What makes this different?
I think what we achieved with Anafi is we have been building the new generation drone. I can tell it like this because we have been achieving in building a product which is ultra portable, which is very important for the consumer, which is showing a lot of autonomy, 25-minute flight time, but probably most important is the imaging system, because this product, let's say, shows a 4K HDR camera with a 21 megapixel camera for photography. So yeah, I think we have been building the new generation drone, the new 4K flying camera, if I can say.
And Parrot has been working on drones for over a decade now. Starting out with consumer drones, your commercial drones are a big business for you. And this is very lightweight and yet stable in high winds. Can you tell us a little, you're not in the engineering side, but tell us a little bit about how you're able to accomplish what you can do here in 25-minute flying time.
Yeah, I think you are touching the point. I think the engineers have been achieving a tremendous results with Anafi, because which is very important is to have a product now to let's say to have a wider audience, more mainstream, is to have a product that you can take with you every time, everywhere. So this is something pretty important, and for that there has been a lot of work on the form factor. The product is foldable, is ultra compact, it's very lightweight, 320 grams. So this is something very important. At the same time, we have been able to offer very strong features in terms of filming and photographing. As I was mentioning, 4K HDR, we are the only one on the market to provide that at this stage.
Why is the HDR important? A lot of drones out there can do 4K. Adding HDR brings what to the picture?
HDR brings finally a lot of details in very contrasted situations. You can have the blue sky and at the same time a green grass with a lot of details on the same picture.
In the shadows.
Exactly. So I think it's very important, because this is exactly what we want to show: details and very, let's say, genuine images. So this is a tremendous challenge that has been achieving the engineers at Parrot.
And as far as the ease of use, that's a factor a lot of consumers worry about. Okay, if I buy one of these, am I going to be crashing it? Will I be able to get it off the ground?
Ease of use is very important. First of all, you have, as a consumer user, to be responsible when you use a drone. But we have been providing with Anafi some key features that will help the users to enjoy very rapidly. I was saying it unfolds in less than 3 seconds, so in less than 1 minute you can fly the drone. It's a product that you can carry with you very easily, because you don't need to have a lot of stuff to bring with you. The drone, a charger, USB-C charger, universal, and then your remote, which is very, let's say, foldable, very compact as well.
Are you using your phone for this?
Yes, of course you use your phone with that.
With a hand controller.
And control, whether you use your phone, whether you use the remote control plus the phone, and then you can very easily, with the new software that we have been building, which is a Free Flight 6, a new version with very ergonomic modes, easy to use, smart drones. So we have been really working on this ease of use, which is also a key asset, so that we have more and more people to let's say, accept to use a drone.
Let's take a look inside the box and see what we have here.
So inside the box, it's the first kind of wow effect. Hop, you know, like this. I put it here.
So right inside here is the whole...
Yeah, right inside. So we have been building a case which is definitely going with Anafi, with the product. So here you have the controller, very compact, foldable. Up, like this. Okay. And I put here.
And your phone is held in here.
I put my phone.
Now this
here.
box says propellers.
Propellers. So
that's small.
That's of course they are pretty small, that you can use to change the propellers that you have on your drone. We have 8 propellers. Plus you see also this little tool to put them on. So I put it there, and of course. The last reveal, but last, definitely but not least, Anafi, here.
Wow, so even with the propellers on, it fits in this small case.
And as you can see, it fits.
This could go in a big coat pocket.
It could. It could. The point is the design, inside the design of the case has been studied so that you can carry the drone everywhere with you, and protecting the gimbal, protecting the camera, protecting also the propellers to fly the drone.
And in a backpack, you wouldn't be taking up much room at all.
No, definitely not. So, and of course you see, in less than 3 seconds, the product is ready to use and ready to fly.
Wow. And this is the camera on the front end.
The camera. Up. You can see here the camera. I press the button and it's on. You will see the camera that will put it in.
And it is on already.
It's on, ready to use, ready to fly. So this is exactly what we wanted also to achieve. You were talking about it's practical, it's ease of use, it's
is it already
ready
paired
to fly.
with that phone? I'm just wondering. We're not going to take this up in the air now, are we?
Sorry?
Are we taking this up in the air now? Or is this ready to fly, or do you have the software running on?
Maybe you...
You can see if that's going to work over there. So tell me, as we move along here...
While we talk, maybe Pascal can fly the product.
This is... We can move this out of the way so it can happen.
So
this is available for pre-order now.
Yes, it is. We started today, so it's official launch. We will commercially have the product available 1st of July. It will be in the US $699 and in.
So that's pretty aggressively priced for a drone this capable. It's about $700.
We believe it's a good price, and I think more than price, it's a very good value for money that we offer there, because we are bringing unique features for a drone with, I must say, kind of professional imaging system. Again, 4K HDR as never seen before. We also have a 180-degree tilt camera that has never seen before on a drone, which allow you to take low angles shots.
You can even shoot going up.
Exactly. So we have a lot that we offer with this product, and as I mentioned, ultra portable, strong imaging system, strong flight performance, 25 minutes autonomy in flight mode.
Flight time is, I want to say, roughly double what some of the competing drones would offer at this kind of price.
It is, and when you say 25 minutes flying, but also filming at the same time. So you don't fly and you do the same, 25 minutes flying and filming. And this is very important, and this is kind of unique for a drone in its category.
And you've emphasized the safety of this too, and just to prove the point, I think we're going to try to get this up in the air now. Let's give it a try.
Yes. We can take off from here or from the ground.
You can,
whatever.
You can try it right from there if it'll go.
Whatever.
Remove the box.
Okay.
Here we go. Very quiet. Very, very quiet. It's one of the quietest drones on the market.
And
Very safe, as you can see.
And it sets up really in no time.
Yeah.
Right out of the box.
You can see the camera moving from minus 90 to plus 90 degree. Unique again. All the form factor propellers have been designed to offer this 25 minutes. It's very light, so it's made of carbon, very robust but very lightweight. So
and you've also taken advantage of multiple Wi-Fi bands to, I guess, extend the range. How far away from you can you control this?
At this stage, what we have been testing is 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers back, 4 kilometers forth, so basically 8 kilometers at this stage.
Wow,
which is kind of unique.
Pretty awesome. Once again, this is available for pre-order now. The Parrot Anafi, and the price tag when it arrives on July 1st is about $700, $699.99.
Yes, sir.
Vincent Vantilcke, thanks for taking the time with us.
Thank you very much for coming, and thank you very much for welcoming Anafi, the new generation drone from Parrot.
And thanks for joining us on Techstination.